Hey, what up YouTube? This just gonna be a quick video. I know y'all saw us just install the new SoundStream HD radio. So there she is, nice and pretty. But I wanna introduce y'all to this right here. Look at the back, wireless CarPlay dongle, right there. Got it off of Amazon. I wanna give a shout out to Big Self for putting me on game. He showed one that SoundStream makes for the radio, but also I found this one on Amazon, and it works just like the one he showed. So basically, all you gotta do is turn on your radio, just like normal. It'll boot up here in a second, and this will give you total control of Apple CarPlay, your Waze, all that. It'll be totally wireless. You know, you don't have to have your phone hooked up to your handlebars. You don't have to have it somewhere where you can't get to it if it starts raining. You can just throw that phone in your bag. You don't have to worry about nothing. So, you can see it's still booting up. Doesn't take long, about roughly 30 seconds. See it's showing, it's booting up. Now it's ready to go. And it's playing music. So, basically, you got your Waze, all that. So I'll turn that off so I don't get they don't want to show my video. But yeah, you got your Waze, you got everything. You got your phone, your podcast, all that in the morning. You got your Ebro in the morning, you got your drink champs, you know, you can do all that with no phone. I mean, your phone's just plugged up right in this little right here. Just plugs up into your USB. It's a simple little box, doesn't weigh nothing. And it controls everything. It transfers everything from your phone to this, to your radio. So that's it. I just wanted to show y'all that. If you got any questions or comments or need to know how to find this, you know, leave the comments below and I'll hit you back if you have any questions. All right. Peace out.